Looking to organize your WordPress pages like posts? In this quick video, I will show you how to easily add categories and tags to your WordPress pages using a simple code snippet. No complicated step, just a clean, beginner-friendly method that improves how you manage content on your site. Let's dive in and get your pages working smarter. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Alright, when you hover over your pages, you'll notice that you only have the all pages and add new page. There's nothing like category and there's nothing like tags there. Remember I said we are going to be adding this without using any plugin, so that we are not going to be having lots and lots of plugins on our site, as long as you have code snippets on your website. So now we are going to be we're providing the piece of code you are going to be using for this particular tutorial. So now what you will be needing, in my case, I already have my code snippets installed. So in case you don't have anyone, you can just come over to plugins and click on add new plugin. So now once you do that, you just search. In my case, I'm using WP code, so you can just search for WP code, or better still, you can just search for code snippets. Just search for code snippets. What is going to load out and bring out list of several code snippets for you to use. And you can see in my own case, you can see code snippets here. You can see WP code. This is the one I actually use, so you can decide to use any of these two, but I actually use this. So just if you want to follow along with me, just click on install and activate. After installing the plugin, click on activate. So once you've done that, now you just scroll down, you see a list, another menu here. So now you just click on add snippets. So and once I click on add snippets, it's going to come up this way. Then I'm going to click on add new custom snippets. So now I'm going to select PHP, because the code we are going to be adding is going to be a PHP code. So once you add it, you come here, you give it the title you want to. Let me say I want to give it as add categories to pages. That should be the title of the. Then this is the code. I'll be providing the link to this code in the description box below. So you just click on it and it will take you where you get the link that you'll be adding to your site. So now once you've done that, you said this is PHP, and you just come here and click on active. Make sure this is active, then click on save. So once you've done that, it's going to update. You can see on my own side it's actually updated. So now next thing we are going to do now, if you notice, if you are over on pages, now we now have add page, you have categories and tags on it. So now if I should go to my categories, it works the same way normal categories used to look. So I can add my categories. If you go to tags, the same way, it's going to work the same way. So go to, let me say I'm adding new page. Now if I should go to add new page, it's going to you also see it there. So you can actually add the page you want to add the category. You can see you have category, you have tag, so you can add anyone to any category you want to add the category to. So let me say, for example, so I want to add a category named work. Let me just, so once I come here, I'll say work. Let's say this is the category. You can just leave this, it will automatically add by itself. So I'm going to add that now. So you can even select a parent category. So that is just how you go about it. That's the simplest way you can add your category. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.